In this turbocharged tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a quote using our quote templates and copy an existing quote. Here, we're going to add a quote here. We're just going to put rekey. Client, we can say, is Gus Logie. The template we're going to use to create the quote. And then if we put in rekey here, we've got the quote down the bottom. You've got all the text there. You can add all your materials, expenses, generate the custom quote and send it. If there's an existing quote that you know, we're going to call this one Canadian Made Solar. You've got text already there, all the materials, etc. is already filled out. We're going to copy this quote. And send it. Come down here to the box. Canadian Made Solar, Oceania. All the materials is filled out. Generate the quote and send it. That's it for this turbocharged tutorial. Thanks for your time.